How to log in to First Horizon bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your First Horizon bank account. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your web browser and search for First Horizon bank account. After you search for that, you'll find these options, the websites here. You'll see the login on the top. You can tap on that and open it up. After you open it up, you should see the login section right here. Now here, select what you want to log in for. If you want to log in for digital banking, select that. Or if you want anything else, you can select that. And then finally type in the user ID. So type in the user ID. After you do that, type in the password for your account. After you do that, you can tap on login and you'll get logged in into your First Horizon bank account. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.